Hey, hi, this is Leo. Today I'm going to show you how to change a switch on the radio transmitter. You're going to need a hex key and a soldering iron. These are the most common four types of switches. A long and short 2-position switch, a long and short 3-position switch. Changing switches is pretty much the same for most radio. Today we have the Devo F12E. As you can see, a switch has broken. We sell these switches at drillmachine.com. We sold out most of the 3-position switches as they are really popular. But you can let us know if you want us to import more from the factory. The first step is to remove the base cover. You can use an Allen key to remove the 4 screws holding the base. The cover slips right out once the screws are removed. Next, you can just remove the rubber grips on the 2 sides. There's a gap along the rubber grip which you can stick a screw to help you peel it off. And you can see how I do it here. It just comes right off on both sides. If you have the original packing for this radio, there is likely a foam piece you might use to prevent damaging your gimbal sticks when you lay your radio flat. You can also use a cloth to pat it down underneath. I then remove the screws on the back, again using the same Allen keys. So we have a total of 4 screws from the back cover and 4 screws from the base cover. Next, just pop the cover opening from the top. This is the step where you want to take a photograph of the wiring and the switches layout before you repair the radio. Take note of the positions, the color-coded wires before you unsolder it, as you want to make sure the positions are not reversed when you install it. A typical switch comes with a dress cap nut, so you need to remove the nut first before you change out the switch. So here I have a 2-position switch that is broken and that needs to be replaced. You can just loosen the nut with a screwdriver and remove it by hand. I had a slight challenge getting around the neatly arranged wires, but it should be easy once you get around them. So once again, take note of the color wires and its position. And now begin to unsolder the broken switch and replace it with a new switch. Position it back the way it is and replace the cover. Make sure the gimbal sticks are aligned correctly when you close the cover. And then we put the screws back.
House guy lays eggs every 2 to 3 days. That's right, 100 eggs at a time. She does this all through the month or so that she remains alive. This means that one feet.
We're not done yet. Next is to always test it. So go to the monitor. Most video has a way to look at the monitor. And take a look at the auxiliary switches. So for this case, it's auxiliary 4 switch. Is what I just changed out. Make sure it toggles between a negative 100 to a positive 100. For a 2-position switch, it should default to a minus 100 when the position is up. If not, you're just gonna have to reverse your switch and turn it around. That's all, folks. Hope this is a helpful tutorial for you and also for me as a reference to future repairs. Thank you. Have a good day.
Today we're going to be demonstrating the co-pilot mode of the Devo F12E transmitter controller. Altitude hold. What we're going to do is hand over maneuver control to Ryan here.
Okay, here we are. And I'm the cameraman now.
Ryan now has control.
Responsible for the gears.
Leo's responsible for the camera and the gears.
And recording.
Yep. Keep it right there, Ryan, so we can show how Leo does the gears. Down a little. Perfect. You gonna hit the gear?
Find me.